One thing we do every day is eat. Whether it's for nutrition or enjoyment, our need to eat makes the food and beverage industry a stable one for business. But it's also enormous and very competitive. One way to stay on top is by staying on trend. So here are 7 trends currently affecting the industry. Put that winter gear on because it's getting chillier outside. The cold chain market is expecting to see continued growth over the next few years. It's driven by increased demands for temperature control in pharmaceuticals and consumers seeking more products that are fresh or frozen. Sustainability remains a hot topic. Consumers are craving eco-friendly brands. In fact, studies show that they are willing to pay more for brands that focus on ethical sourcing, offsetting carbon, and reducing food waste. Finding ways to improve your environmental impact matters. Staffing shortages are a major pain point, especially for those in the food service. Not only is it tough to hire, but retention is also just as difficult. Burnout, low wages, and the need for better work-life balance are what's driving employees away. Because of this, restaurants are reducing hours and menus, while consumers are grappling with longer wait times and less personalized service. Hopefully, creative solutions in technology and automation can help this segment regain success. They say the customer is always right, and now the customer wants it all. They're seeking fresher, healthier options and shifting away from processed foods. Shoppers also crave unique experiences, from nostalgic flavors to trendy pop-up restaurants. Additionally, high food and beverage prices have driven many to choose private label brands to save money. And lastly, there continues to be a decline in in-person shopping, with online grocery services and delivery options being a large way in which consumers want to purchase and receive their items. AI is stirring things up in the food scene. Companies are gaining clearer insight into their shopper preferences, better understanding into their customer demands, optimizing production, and getting help with product development. It will be interesting to see how companies continue to use AI. Because of the ongoing cold chain growth, cold storage demand is rising too. The surge is highly driven by the grocery and pharmaceutical sectors. Due to the rise in e-commerce, online ordering platforms, and the popularity of convenience, it looks like the cold storage market is set to stay cool and in demand for a while. Keep your seatbelt on because we're still in for a bumpy ride on the supply chain. Since the pandemic, supply chains have faced significant challenges like material shortages, strikes, severe weather, and increased demand for transparency and speed. With disruptions occurring nearly every 3 years, a climate change is posing new risks. Building supply chains resiliency is a top trend for food and beverage companies. Navigating the ever-changing trends in the food and beverage space can be easier with an expert by your side. This is where a 3PL like Trinity Logistics can come in handy. We'll help you find creative solutions to any trends that give you logistics puzzles. Whether you have a complex challenge or just need one shipment, we're here to help. Visit trinitylogistics.com to learn why our people-centric freight solutions have been a choice for thousands of food and beverage companies for over 45 years.